choose to cut your blessing in every single lesson you've learned.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you what to do with your leftover bonnet fabric. As you may have already read in the title, what we will be doing with our leftover fabric is making an edge scarf. For those of you who don't know what an edge scarf is, it's typically what women use to lay their baby hairs, to lay their edges down, or protect their edges. And before we even get started, let me explain to you what the dimensions are. So as you see, I will have my leftover fabric. It should look something like this, and I will cut 45 inches long and 6 inches wide. You can use either a tape measure or a ruler, whatever you decide. As you draw your line, remember that satin fabric is very slippery, so you'll need something hard to hold it down. After you cut your fabric, the next thing you want to do is make sure the shiny side is up and fold it just like I'm doing in the video. It may be hard to see right here, but the dull side will be facing outward when we begin to sew. The reason for this is because we will be flipping it inside out. I will be using a few pins and an iron to hold my fold in place. My fabric was a little uneven, so I did go back and cut a few strips off just to make it even up. Next step is to the sewing machine. Sew a straight stitch all the way down the edge of the fabric. Please don't forget to move the pins as you go because it can damage your sewing machine. Any excess threads, please clip them away. And always, never forget the back stitch. After sewing down the outside edge, the next step is to pull it inside out. As you see right here, I was off on my stitching, so I had to go back and make that correction. Now we can start by flipping it inside out. I noticed another trouble spot, so what I did was just cut it off. So I did say that I did 45 inches long and 6 inches wide, but I ended up cutting mine about 4 inches off, so it'll be a little bit shorter. To flatten the edges, you can either use a flat iron, a mini flat iron like I'm using, or a regular iron. I ended up using both. I made this line to kind of mimic the other side since I did have to cut some off. I just wanted to make sure both of my sides look the same way. Now back to the sewing machine. What you want to do is tuck those edges in and then put a pin right there and do the same to the other side. And you want to fold it kind of at an angle. both of your sides should look. I did change my stitch to a looser one, as you can see right here. This straight stitch is about 1/2 inch from the edge. Do the same exact thing on the other side. And that's pretty much it. This is a great way to recycle the fabric that you already used instead of just throwing it away. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video.
Get drunk, cause I'ma get mine today. I'm sure, won't change my mind today. No choice.